In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly create an inline array here in Google Sheets. So in my example right here, what I'm trying to do is to combine these scores from these teams in this leaderboard right here. One way I can do that would be to copy this by pressing Ctrl C, then Ctrl V, again copy and paste it from this side to this side. Now there's a better way to do that, and that's with creating an inline array with your curly brackets. So let's go ahead and delete this. Start our formula with the equal sign, your curly bracket, select your range on the left, separate it with a semicolon, select your next range, semicolon, and your last range. Then close it again with the curly bracket and press enter. And there you have it. Now we've combined everything with our array, and you can also do this with data coming from other sheets or tabs. So let's do that as well. Again, delete this and start over with your equal sign. Again, your curly bracket. Now go to your first tab where you're going to get your first range. Select that. Again, separate it with a semicolon. Go to your next tab, select your range, semicolon, and your last tab, select your range, and now just close it off with a curly bracket. Press enter. Now we're back to our leaderboard again with the same results because these are just the same data from our leaderboard. And there you have it. That's how to quickly create an inline array with the use of your curly brackets here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.